In today's video, we're going to dive into a powerful, proven strategy for achieving financial freedom safely and securely. While many wealth-building methods encourage bold risks and sacrifices, this method focuses on stability, patience, and consistency. It may not promise overnight success, but it offers long-term financial security and peace of mind. This is a strategy that has been used successfully by millions, including financial expert Dave Ramsey, who developed the 7 baby steps to financial freedom. These steps helped him recover from bankruptcy and become a millionaire once again. If you're someone who values financial stability and security over high-risk ventures, then you're in the right place. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you've just discovered a space where we dive deep into the fascinating realms of minimalism, frugal living, affirmations, and so much more. If these topics captivate you and you find value in the content, please show your support by liking this video and taking a moment to subscribe. Your support helps us grow and reach more people who are interested in these life-enhancing topics. Let's break down the 7 baby steps, starting with the foundation of any strong financial plan: saving for emergencies. Step 1. Building an emergency fund. Before tackling any other financial goal, the first priority is setting aside money for unexpected emergencies. Whether it's a car repair, an unexpected medical bill, or a home repair, having an emergency fund prevents you from going deeper into debt when life throws you a curveball. Dave Ramsey suggests saving $500 to $1,000, depending on your income level. This emergency cushion gives you peace of mind and a safety net while you focus on other financial goals. Step 2. Paying off all debt, except your mortgage. Debt is one of the biggest barriers to financial freedom. By aggressively paying off all consumer debt, credit cards, personal loans, car loans, you free yourself from interest payments and the burden of owing money. Ramsey advocates using the debt snowball method, where you pay off your smallest debts first to build momentum. This method leverages the power of psychological wins, helping you stay motivated as you see your debts disappear. Step 3. Saving 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Once you're debt-free, except for your mortgage, it's time to build a more substantial emergency fund. This should cover 3 to 6 months of basic living expenses: rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, etc. This fund is a financial lifeline in case of job loss, illness, or other significant life changes. By having this buffer, you can avoid panicking during emergencies and stay focused on your long-term financial goals. Step 4. Invest for retirement. Planning for retirement is essential no matter your age. Dave Ramsey recommends investing 15% of your income into retirement accounts, such as a 401k or IRA. By doing this consistently over time, even modest returns can grow significantly, thanks to compound interest. Prioritizing retirement savings ensures that you'll be financially secure when it's time to stop working. Step 5. Save for your children's education. If you have kids, starting a college fund early can make a big difference. By saving in an education-specific fund like a 529 plan, you ensure that your children have the opportunity for higher education without burdening them with loans or putting yourself into debt. This step not only secures their future, but also protects your financial health. Step 6. Pay off your mortgage. Once you've secured your emergency fund, paid off debt, and started saving for retirement and education, the next goal is paying off your mortgage early. Eliminating this final large debt allows you to fully own your home and reduces financial pressure, freeing up more money for investing and wealth building. Step 7. Build wealth and give back. After completing the first 6 steps, you're financially free. Now it's time to focus on building wealth and giving back to others. You can invest in more aggressive growth strategies, such as stocks, real estate, or even starting a business. This is also a time to be generous, whether through charitable donations, supporting family members, or contributing to causes you care about. Giving back not only helps others, but also brings fulfillment and purpose to your financial journey. The 7 baby steps offer a clear, practical path to financial freedom. They focus on safety, stability, and patience, making them accessible to anyone, regardless of their current financial situation. The key takeaway? You don't need to take enormous risks or chase get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, by following this structured approach, you can gradually build wealth, achieve financial security, and live a life of freedom. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more content like this. Join our community and let's continue this journey towards a more mindful and frugal lifestyle together. Thanks again for your support. See you in the next video soon. Take care.